This is the seventh consignment actually since 2017, when the People's Republic of China promised to donate the Republic of Kenya 7,835 tons of rice worth 2.25 billion Kenyan shillings as food for free distribution to hunger-stricken Kenyans throughout the country.
I'm happy to note that the donation we are receiving today is a significant support from a friendly government coming in a hour of need, which shall greatly assist the food insecure populations. In particular, the rice donation will be distributed to schools in the 23 ASAL counties to ensure the retention of students in schools during the drought period.